So this is my 1966 Hillman Superminx Mark IV. I think this might have been the last year that this car was manufactured before the Hillman Hunter came out to replace it. So this is under the bonnet and the engine bay here, so it's a 1725cc engine. It all looks quite original to me. This is a good engine, it keeps up with modern day traffic. There's no major oil leaks. Some of the work that I've done on it is new fuel line, and the fuel pump's been rebuilt as well with new valves and diaphragm that was leaking. This has electronic ignition on it, so the points and condenser have been removed, so there's no issues with losing spark. The cooling system has been completely flushed, including just down there behind the manifold is an engine block cooling tap which you can remove and flush the block out. Radiator's been resprayed with new cooling hoses, new thermostat and new thermostat cap. It does need a water pump. There's a bit of play in the bearing, so I'm going to replace that. Steering seems to be all in order. It's nice and tight. Steering fluid's been renewed. Brake and clutch, master cylinder fluid's all been replaced. Really just need to touch up that firewall. Had some rust treatment put on there. There was some surface rust, and I'm also going to touch up underneath the bonnet here. Respray under there as well. But you know, this is a good engine. Great little engine actually. It goes really well. The good thing about this vehicle is the previous owner or owners at some point have rust protected inside all the chassis rails, doors and guards. So there's just no rust on this thing at all, apart from, you know, a little bit of, you know, where there've been stone chips or just surface rust. No major rust at all. What I like about these old cars is the greasing points on the, well, in this car there's greasing points on the lower ball joints, and there's one on the steering rack down there, which I quite like. But yeah, things that I need to do on this car at some point is I'm going to replace all the suspension bushes with polyurethane bushes, and including the front anti-roll bar. Those bushes are worn and need replacing, and we'll upgrade all the shock absorbers as well. I think the Hillman is an underrated classic vehicle. The Roots Group produce some great cars, and you know, they're well designed, well engineered for their time, and they just go really well. I think as a classic car, I think there's definitely need for more of a following. So that's where we're at with this vehicle at the moment. Okay, we'll catch you later.